All right, listen up. Forget everything you think you know about how the universe ends. Seriously, there's new evidence hitting the streets, and it suggests that the whole endless expansion story might be totally wrong. We are talking about a cosmic game changer that could rewrite the entire playbook.
You heard it right. Yo, the universe's expansion? It's hitting the brakes like a bad traffic jam on the BQE. For decades, we thought the cosmos was flooring it, accelerating into oblivion. But the latest intel says that joyride is over. The universe has taken its foot off the gas.
And we've got a prime suspect: dark energy. This ghost in the machine, this mysterious force that's been pushing everything apart, it's fading out. We're talking a 10% drop in 4 billion years. That's not a rounding error. That is straight up cosmic chaos.
Now here's where it gets really wild. Big crunch coming? I mean, if dark energy keeps fading, gravity might just take back control. And if that happens, the universe doesn't just expand forever. Oh no, it slows down, it stops, and then it all comes crashing back in on itself. This could flip the entire cosmos upside down.
So, you're probably thinking, how do we know this? What's the proof? Well, let me tell you. This isn't just some theory somebody cooked up. This is based on a massive new data drop that's got astronomers everywhere sweating. Let's get into the evidence.
So for years, this has been our go-to recipe for the universe, the Lambda-CDM model. And you see that big slice of the pie, 68%? That's dark energy. The key assumption, the bedrock of the whole thing, was that this number, this force, was a constant. It never, ever changed. Well, that idea is officially on the ropes.
The evidence is coming from some real heavy hitters. Check this out. You got the DESI telescope, right? In March of 2025, it maps 5 million galaxies and finds the first real proof that dark energy is evolving. It's changing. Then in November, the JWST backs it up, looking at supernovae and confirming, yeah, the expansion rate is dropping. It's a cosmic 1-2 punch that's knocking the old theory out cold.
And the number that's causing all this trouble? It's this one, 10%. That's the potential dip in dark energy's power over the last 4 billion years. Let me be clear, if that's real, it's not a measurement mistake. It is a fundamental change in the laws of the universe. It's the smoking gun.
And we're not just talking about a little update here. This is huge. We could be watching a Nobel Prize-winning discovery get torn up and rewritten in real time. This is how a revolution in science happens, people.
Just to put this in perspective, let's roll the tape back. In 1998, bam, we find out expansion is accelerating, shocks the world, wins a Nobel. Then, for the last decade or so, this thing called the Hubble tension has been driving everyone crazy. Now you flash forward to 2025, and data from DECI and JWST doesn't just add a new chapter, it rewrites the whole ending of the book.
And get this, it also basically solves that huge mystery, the Hubble tension. See, scientists were getting two different answers for how fast the universe is expanding, and they were ready to throw punches over who was right. But this new idea says, hey, what if you were both right? What if the expansion rate itself was changing the whole time, because dark energy wasn't constant? Mind blown. But you know how science is. You solve one problem, and a bigger, weirder one pops right up. So, okay, if dark energy is like a leaky cosmic battery, the new question is, what's draining the juice? That's the next great cosmic hunt. We've got a few suspects in the lineup. There's this thing called quintessence, which is basically a fancy way of saying dark energy is a moody field that just decays over time. Or maybe Einstein's theory of gravity is missing a few pages. But the most exciting idea? It's brand new physics, something we haven't even dreamed of yet. The whole shebang might need an overhaul.
Which all brings us to the big one, the ultimate question. What does this cosmic slowdown mean for the fate of everything? The whole universe?
So here it is, side by side. The old story was the big freeze. Everything expands forever until it's a cold, dead, lonely place. Bummer, right? But the new possibility on the table is the big crunch, where the universe hits the brakes, makes a U-turn, and collapses back into a single crazy hot point. Talk about going out with a bang. The data is pointing in a wild new direction. I mean, if this trend of weakening dark energy keeps up, the destiny of our universe is not what we thought it was. The era of acceleration could be coming to a close, and a whole new age of deceleration might be right around the cosmic corner.
So the bottom line is, are we living at the exact moment in cosmic history when we figured out the universe is about to pull the most epic U-turn of all time? The story is not over, not by a long shot. And suddenly, we have no idea what the final destination is.
This story is just getting started, and you are not going to want to miss what happens next. So smash subscribe for more cosmic shocks, because you don't want to miss the universe's next big twist.
We'll be here to break it all down for you.